David Saker. David James Saker, born 29 May 1966 in Melbourne, Victoria, is an Australian cricket coach and former player who played first-class cricket for the Victorian Bushrangers and then the Tasmanian Tigers later on in his career. He was the fast bowling coach for the Sri Lanka national cricket team. He has been replaced by Chaminda Vaas as the new national fast bowling coach. Playing career: a right-arm fast-medium bowler, Saker made his first-class debut in the 1994-95 season. He spent 6 years with the Bushrangers before accepting an offer to join the Tasmanian side at the start of the 2001 season. As a veteran in a fairly young side, he was named as their Player of the Year for 2001-2. Saker was also a handy batsman, making 4 first-class half-centuries, even opening the batting at times for the Bushrangers in limited overs games. He retired in 2002-03 with 247 wickets to his name at 30.10. Coaching: in 2004, he became an assistant coach at Victoria under Greg Shepherd. On 8 April 2010, Saker was appointed as the fast bowling coach of the England cricket team, replacing the departing Otis Gibson. After Saker's key role in the team winning the 2010-11 Ashes series, he was handed a new 3-year contract. Saker left the English job in early 2015 and was appointed head coach of the Melbourne Renegades in the Big Bash League. 2 months later, he was also appointed coach of the Victoria Bushrangers in first class and one-day cricket. He led Victoria to the Sheffield Shield in his only season with the state and was then appointed fast bowling coach for the Australian national cricket team in July 2016. He resigned on 7 February 2019 with immediate effect. In July 2019, he was appointed as the fast bowling coach of the United States national cricket team on a short-term basis. In December 2019, he was appointed as the fast bowling coach of Sri Lanka national cricket team on 2-year contract.